أصحاب السعادة، أيها الضيوف الكرام، السيدات والسادة، أسعدتم مساء، ويطيب لنا أن نفتتح برنامجنا اليوم.
Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to invite all of you to stand up for the national anthem of the Republic of Indonesia and the national anthem of the Kingdom of Morocco.
السيدات والسادة، ندعوكم الآن للوقوف جميعا للاستماع إلى النشيد الوطني لجمهورية إندونيسيا والنشيد الوطني للمملكة المغربية.
Now, His Excellency Mr. Tosari Wijaya, the Ambassador of the Republic of Indonesia, will deliver his speech.
سيتفضل السيد توساري ويجايا سفير جمهورية إندونيسيا لدى المملكة المغربية بإلقاء كلمته.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Your Excellencies, Ambassador, distinguished members of the Diplomatic Corps, honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the government of the Republic of Indonesia and the people of Indonesia, it is my honor to welcome you to the 68th anniversary of the independence of the Republic of Indonesia. I would also like to welcome the Indonesian delegation from Jakarta State University, Indonesia Islamic University Yogyakarta, and Islamic State University Sultan Syarif Qasim Riau for their presence this evening despite the busy schedule during their visit in Morocco. Thank you very much for your presence. It is a joyous celebration for all Indonesians everywhere in the world. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Indonesia economy holds enormous promise. By GDP figures, it is 16th largest economy in the world today. It is a stable and diversified economy, and also it is transforming rapidly as part of a resurgent Asia. During the last 3 years, Indonesia has sustained an economic growth of more than 6%, ranking as among the highest in G20. Yearly inflation rate has fallen from double digit into under 5%, and government debt as a share of GDP is now lower than many advanced economies. Inshallah, Indonesia will approach the $5,000 mark by the end of 2014. An encouraging aspect of our economy is it is fed by its young and unburning population, providing the third largest growth of consumer class in the world. A survey by the Asian Business Advisory Council has placed Indonesia as the #1 destination for investment in Southeast Asia. This is confirmed by the survey conducted by PricewaterhouseCoopers, which placed Indonesia as among the top 10 favorite investment destinations in the world. In 2012, Indonesia realized total investment of $22.5 billion, a 26% increase from 2011. With the present trend, the McKinsey Global Institute predicted that Indonesia will become the 7th largest economy in the world. Indonesia aims to be a productive, resilient, and inclusive economy in the long term. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Indonesia stands firm on the principle of democracy and the protection of the human right. Regardless on domestic, regional, or global platform, we will host the Bali Democracy Forum for the 6th time in the end of the year. The Bali Democracy Forum is a forum that share and exchange the best practices of the democracy that more countries are joining every year, including Morocco. I would also like to inform you that 2014 will be an election year in Indonesia, the fourth since the reform era. 12 political parties will participate in the political process in the national level and 3 political parties in the provincial level in Aceh. The voters will vote for 560 seats in the national parliament, 122 seats at the regional representative council, 2,137 seats at the parliament of the regional province, 20,257 seats at the parliament at the regency level, and finally 1 president and 1 vice president. Indonesia is indeed a large country, and there is a lot of seats to be filled in next year 2014. Like in the year before, Indonesia is very concerned and is actively engaged with the international community to maintain peace and stability in the world. We are very concerned with the progress in Syria and trust to members on the United Nations Council, especially our great friend and Kingdom of Morocco, who now has a seat in the Council, to find a solution and resolving this conflict. We hope the political crisis in Egypt will soon consist and finally put an end to announced victims. Our support for an independent and sovereign Palestine will never stop. We believe that there is a solution to every crisis in the world if all the parties are willing to compromise. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Morocco and Indonesia enjoy a special relationship based on the principle of trust, brotherhood, and mutual benefit. There are so many experiences, knowledge, and cultural heritage that we share with each other, especially as Morocco is becoming a major democracy. Indonesia is very encouraged with how the reform is progressing in Morocco, while in the same time maintaining political and economic stability. We are also confident that the leadership role of Morocco in the region will take direction for the better. Against the background, I put so much faith for the successful outcome of the second joint bilateral commission between the Kingdom of Morocco and the Republic of Indonesia, which will be held on 15 November in Indonesia this year. It will address various issues of the cooperation from economic, political, security, and socio-cultural dimension. Inshallah, the second joint bilateral commission will cement the existing cordial relation and will also provide a stronger framework of political cooperation and people-to-people contact. Let us honor continued progress, mutual prosperity, and partnership between Indonesia and Morocco. Excellencies, distinguished guests, tonight I will proud to present a cultural performance by the students of the State University of Jakarta, who have come a long way from Indonesia to entertain us on the traditional dance from the heritage of Indonesia. I would like to extend my appreciation to the President of the State University of Jakarta and all the members of the dance troupe. Once again, thank you very much for your presence, and please enjoy Indonesia food and cultural performance. I wish you pleasant evening. Terima kasih, syukran jazilan, merci besar. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.